Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a very interesting one to you guys. You know that some marriage are being arranged and some are real love. We have marriages that whereby if you find true love, they marry peacefully and there will be no problem, while some are being arranged. Today is all about the marriage that's happened whereby the bride, I don't know if she was forced to go and marry the man or if she was not happy being married, but you're going to be seeing that scene where, you know, during the marriage reception, she has already put on her wedding gown with her husband and they've invited crowd to come and grace the occasion. But I wonder why she was not happy. Definitely women used to be very, very happy during their wedding day. You see all the joy in them. Even the men are, something that you have invited people to come and grace the occasion. That day used to be an exceptional day for people. This particular lady, if she was forced, I don't really know, but the scene she created in her wedding was like called for questioning, because people were like, is this marriage going to last? Is this marriage are they going to be in it till death do us part, as they used to say? Because she was in the church there. After the church, they did the reception. But the main thing is that how, when it was time for her to kiss her groom, the groom took his mouth to go and kiss her. She just pushed the groom as if she was forced to that place. Even when it was time for her to cut the cake, she refused, as if they were forcing her. As a grown-up person, were you being forced to go and stand before the congregation to do marriage? So I did not really understand what she was really portraying in that wedding scenario, where people have gathered to, people were even happy in the occasion, but she was just doing it and it was so obvious. I really did not understand what was happening. So this is what just happened in that wedding. You see it as how she was doing. The whole thing called for answers and questions, and some people were just murmuring, some people were putting their nose under their table to talk, while some were just putting under their bag, side talk. You see the reactions of people. And this lady herself, she knew that they had kept a date for this wedding. They shared invitation cards, not as if she was jacked to that place. If you know you were not ready for the wedding and you did not want to marry the man, why didn't you, maybe few days to that wedding day, you call off the wedding, or a few days to that day you have to take off and travel and let people know that this thing was not going to hold? Why coming out to show that this is how it should be done? Or why coming out to even show people that you were not happy that this is done, as if you were tied your hands and legs, or they were placing a gun close to you that stand here and reply what the pastor has to say and what you are, or as if you were even forced to talk as a little child. Marriage is not something for children. Marriage is for adults. If you know you're not ready to go into it, don't go into it. If you're ready to go into it, know that as you're going into it, it's for better, for worse. So you coming out and doing as if you were being pointed a gun and coming out to stand in the congregation, reacting all those kind of reaction. Even the family of the man too were like seeing all this kind of reactions. Even the family of the girls also were surprising how she was reacting to the whole thing. And at this point now, you that went invitees, you only sit down. After sitting, you stand up and go. What's your business there? You were invited and you came, and after the whole thing you will leave. The pastor's own was, they shared the card, invited the pastor to come and preach, which the pastor did what he was asked to do. MC also did what he was asked to do. So guys, this is just what happened there. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video interesting, please thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and also share my video with your friends and families. This is Ukeme TV Live. I'll keep giving you updates of what's happening, and I hope you enjoyed my channel. Don't fail to tap the bell for notification of new videos. See you guys in my next video. Bye.